Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I make my homemade burger. It's a very simple recipe to put together for a dinner or for lunch, depending how when you want to or when you prefer to have it. So let's get to the ingredients. Okay, so these are the ingredients. I'm using already made meat burger from the supermarket, and I'm also going to be using some fresh ham. That is a mixture of mayonnaise and ketchup, fresh tomatoes and salad, cheese, and the burger cream. You can use any cheddar cheese of your choice. Okay, so this is the bread I'm going to be using. I'm using this one with sesame seed on it. So the first thing, I'm going to heat up my grill pan. I'm adding a little bit of extra virgin of olive oil. You can add vegetable oil if that is what you have. So now I'm adding the meat burger, and I'm going to cook both sides of the meat. I actually love to season them if you want, like with meat seasoning. So on the other pan, I'm going to be cooking the bacon that I'm using. Okay, so yeah, and now I'm going to flip the meat over. So take it easy, make sure you do this gently if you don't want the meat burger to separate. Okay, so I'm done cooking the bacon. Now I'm going to like just heat up the bread over the heat. It's not advisable to use microwave, so I slice the bread into two and I place them down on a pan over the heat. So I'm adding, the meat is cooked now, so I'm going to be adding, or I'm adding the cheddar cheese on top of each of the burger meat. And here is me adding the mixture of mayonnaise and ketchup into the burger bread. Okay, that is what I'm doing here. I'm going to add them on the both side of bread. Then I will take the meat and the cheese, because I love to melt the cheese a little bit before adding them into the bread. So now I'm going to add my salad. Depends how you want to arrange them. You can add tomatoes first before salad and onion. I'm using red onion for this. So the lastly, I'm going to be adding the bacon into it. Then I will add another sauce, mayonnaise and ketchup mixture into the cover of the bread, then cover them. So that is done. I'm going to repeat the same, but at this last one I'm going to be adding burger cream. You can choose not to add burger cream if you don't want your burger to be creamy, but if you're the type that love that creamy burger, go ahead and add it. Mostly it's my husband that like this burger cream a lot. So yeah, that is all guys for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and try your own homemade burger. You're going to love it. It's so delicious and it's so fresh, I'm telling you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and make sure you share this video and give me a big thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you. Bye.